Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have done the periodic classification of elements, chapter 5 for class 10th, and we have done the first two classifications. First is Daubrenier triads, and second is Newland law of octaves. Today we will discuss the third classification, that is Mendeleev's periodic table. The Mendeleev's periodic table was given by the Russian scientist Mendeleev in 1869. According to this Mendeleev periodic table, when the elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic masses, the elements with similar chemical properties, they occur at regular intervals. Means again the fundamental property is taken as the atomic mass. Means the orders is increasing atomic mass, and after arranging the elements in increasing order of atomic mass, the similar chemical properties were observed at regular intervals. The property of elements are a periodic function of their atomic mass. This is the main point of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Means the elements, they are arranged in increasing atomic mass. That means the atomic mass is the periodic function. Periodic function means this is the reason for the periodicity, for repetition. Second main point is the Mendeleev arranged all the then known 63 elements. Means at that time 63 elements were we can say observed. मीन्स सिर्फ 63 एलिमेंट्स ही डिस्कवर हुए थे उस टाइम तक इन एंड ही अरेंज ऑल दीज 63 एलिमेंट्स इन इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मास. उसने इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मास में उनको रख दिया. एंड दिस पीरियोडिक टेबल इट कंटेन्स टू पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल रो, and horizontal rows are called period, and there were 7 periods. Second is the vertical column. Vertical columns are called groups, and there were 8 groups in the periodic table. These 8 groups, they were subdivided into 2 parts. 7 normal elements के लिए थे और 1 period transition elements के लिए था. That means these 7 plus 1 total 8 groups were there in Mendeleev's periodic table. Now, what were the main features of Mendeleev's periodic table? There are two main features of Mendeleev periodic table. First is the gaps in the periodic table, and the second one is the wrong order of atomic masses of some elements. The first point, that is why he left some gap. He left some gap in the periodic table for the undiscovered elements, and these undiscovered elements were named as Ika boron, Ika aluminium, Ika silicon. And this word Ika means first. The word was taken from the संस्कृत वर्ड है ये, एंड इका का मतलब होता है फर्स्ट. सो इका बोरोन मीन्स फर्स्ट कम्स बोरोन एंड देन अननोन एलिमेंट. मीन्स जो उसने स्पेस छोड़ा उसने बोरोन के बाद छोड़ा. मीन्स पहले बोरोन, उसके बाद जो अननोन एलिमेंट है वो फर्दर व्हेन इट विल बी डिस्कवर्ड तो हम उसको वहाँ पर पुट करेंगे और उसका नेम कोई दूसरा मेंशन कर देंगे. सेम ऐसे ही इका एल्यूमिनियम. After some time when these elements were discovered, means इका बोरोन जब डिस्कवर हुआ तो उसका नाम रखा गया स्कैंडियम. इका एल्यूमिनियम जब डिस्कवर हुआ उसका नाम रखा गया गैलियम, और इका सिलिकॉन का नाम रखा गया जर्मेनियम. So mainly these 3 elements, they were placed, they were named as Ika boron, Ika aluminium and Ika silicon. The second point is the wrong order of atomic masses of some elements. According to this, he placed cobalt before nickel, and the atomic mass of cobalt is 58.9 and nickel is 58.7. So according to the rule, he should place nickel and then cobalt, but he placed cobalt before nickel. Now, what are the merits and demerits of this classification. Firstly, we will discuss the merits of this classification. The first is prediction of undiscovered elements. मीन्स उसने स्पेस छोड़ा था तो इसका मतलब उसने प्रेडिक्ट किया था कि कुछ ना कुछ अनडिस्कवर्ड एलिमेंट्स हैं, आफ्टर सम टाइम, आफ्टर सम ईयर्स दे विल बी डिस्कवर्ड, तो उनके लिए उसने गैप छोड़ दिया. सेकेंड इज़ द प्रेडिक्शन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर पोजिशन. अब ये जो एलिमेंट्स अनडिस्कवर्ड थे उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ को भी उसने प्रेडिक्ट कर लिया, तभी तो उन्होंने उस पीरियोडिक टेबल में एक पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन उन एलिमेंट्स को प्रोवाइड की. थर्ड, ही लेफ्ट सम स्पेस फॉर नोबल गैसेस. मीन्स उसने नोबल गैसेस के लिए भी स्पेस छोड़ा था. उसको पता था, उसने प्रेडिक्ट किया था कि आफ्टर सम टाइम नोबल गैसेस विल बी डिस्कवर्ड, तो एक नोबल गैस डिस्कवर होने के बाद पूरी पीरियोडिक टेबल डिस्टर्ब ना हो, तो उसने नोबल गैसेस को एक सेपरेट ग्रुप प्रोवाइड किया. नेक्स्ट हम पढ़ रहे हैं व्हाट वर द लिमिटेशंस. फर्स्ट लिमिटेशन इज द पोजीशन ऑफ आइसोटॉप्स. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes, 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. So if they have different atomic masses, so they should be placed at different places. But he was unable to provide the 3 positions to hydrogen, and not only the hydrogen, for different isotopes also. Second limitation was that the position of cobalt and nickel. We have discussed earlier that cobalt should be placed after nickel, but he placed cobalt and nickel in the wrong position. Third is the position of hydrogen with alkali metals. Hydrogen which was placed with alkali metals just because of the fact that because of some main properties, we can say. But if we will observe that some of the properties of hydrogen resembles halogens also, so why he placed hydrogen with alkali metals and not with the halogens? So he was unable to explain this point also. Now the present basis for the classification, because of the limitations, the basis for the classification was changed, and the basis for the periodic classification, it was taken as the atomic number. Atomic number which is equal to the number of protons or equal to the number of electrons. It helps in arranging the elements according to the electronic configuration. Means the electronic configuration of every element is different, so this will be the basic property for arranging the elements. The fundamental property is the atomic number. It was told by the scientist Moseley in 1913. Now we will discuss about the modern periodic law. What is the modern periodic law? According to modern periodic law, the properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. Atomic number के periodic function होंगे and not the atomic mass now. Now the properties of elements, they depend on the number of valence electrons. Means valence electrons पर depend करता है कि atom की property कैसी होंगी. Due to the periodicity of electrons, the chemical properties also show periodicity. Means because the periodicity of electrons means valence electrons, the chemical properties also show the periodicity. For example, a lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. If we will arrange these elements like this, then we observe that lithium at electronic configuration is 2,1, sodium 281, potassium 2881, means the valence electrons here 1, valence electrons 2, valence electrons 3, 4, 5. इस तरह से जो periodicity है, that is because of the electrons, because of the valence electrons. The valence electrons are the electrons which are present in the outermost shell. Now the modern periodic table. The modern long form of periodic table. It is also called the long form of periodic table, which was preferred by the scientist Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr नाम के scientist ने इसको दिया था. He again according to, as like the Mendeleev's periodic table, there were groups and periods in the Mendeleev periodic table. Here also the horizontal rows are called period and vertical columns are called groups. There were 7 periods and 18 groups according to the long form of periodic table. Now we will study about the period number. So these are 1 to 7. The first period is called very short period and there are 2 elements. Second is short period, 8 elements. Third period again short, 8 elements. Fourth period is the long period containing 18 elements. Fifth also long period, 18 elements. Sixth is very long period containing 32 elements. And in the 7, which is incomplete element, there must be the 32 elements, but the sum of the elements are not discovered till now. Now, according to the number of shells, we can tell about the number of period. For example, we have lithium. Lithium atomic number is 3, configuration is 2 1. So the number of shells is K and L. 2 shells are there. So if the number of shells are 2, then the number of period will be 2. Same in case of magnesium. 12 atomic number 282, the number of shells 1 2 3 3, so number of period will be 3. In case of argon, atomic number is 18 283, then period is 3 1 2 3. Calcium atomic number 20 2882, so the number of period will be 4. So till here we have discussed about the modern periodic table and how can we calculate the number of period from for every element. In the next video we will discuss about the groups and trends of the periodic table.